Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to save your live videos to your archive on your Instagram account. And now let's dive right in. Now to save your live videos to archive on your Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram account, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Tap on that and you'll be over here on the profile section of your account, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon. Simply tap on that, guys, and this option will be available for us. Now tap on settings and privacy and scroll down from over here until you can find the archiving and downloading option under the category of your apps and media. Tap on archiving and downloading, and over here, guys, you can see the save live to archive option available, currently enabled. Over here it says, guys, automatically save your live videos to your archive. Only you can see your archive videos on your Instagram account now. So guys, by tapping on the toggle icon over here, when it turns blue, this feature will be enabled on your Instagram account and you will be able to save your live videos to your Instagram archive. And with that being said, guys, this is how you save your live videos to your archive on your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.